Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse your video using Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora, and for example, I'm going to reverse this video. I'm going to make this video play backward, and if you want to reverse video, we can go to the speed menu, and you're going to activate this option, reverse speed. Click on the circle button to activate this feature, and after that your video will be played back. I'm going to play the video to show you the result. As you can see that the video has been reversed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reverse video using Filmora application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.